Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. One day ago, I shared this video with you when I told you that Bitcoin is making another attempt for breakout right now from this bearish pennant. And while it was breaking out, I posted another update for my members at the Patreon that even though Bitcoin is breaking out this resistance, but the RSI is still below 50 and we need the RSI above 50. That is the sign of weakness, and the price line is not able to break out $39,500. That is a very strong resistance, and the EMA 21 as well. If I zoom out that chart, then you can see what was the price of Bitcoin. It was moving at $39,371 at that time. Therefore, I told my members that we should be away from the market for the short-term trade. And once it will be stable, I'll start. I'll post more short-term long position trades for you. But right now, we should stay away from the market because it is still bearish. And eventually, you can see that the price line, if we take a look at this live chart, has broken down the support of the bearish pennant. And in today's video, we will analyze whether the price line is going to move more down from here, or is there any possibility that the price line may have a reversal move and it will break out the same pennant. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move back to this chart. And here we can see that first of all, I would like to recall this very long-term down channel. And we have already seen that that Bitcoin also broke out a very big Cypher before breaking out this channel that I have been sharing with you. That was a bullish Cypher pattern, a huge bullish Cypher pattern. And after breaking out this channel, the price line was stuck inside this rising wedge pattern, and eventually the price line broke down the support of this rising wedge and formed another bearish pennant here, and even broke down the support of the bearish pennant. Even though this is a bullish bias pattern, but Bitcoin has broken down even this bullish pattern as well. And after breaking down this pattern, and now our next major support that I have been telling you that can be the key support for Bitcoin. However, the last support in my point of view can be at $28,800, because let me show you on the weekly time frame. And this is the support of $33,000 that I have placed this trend line here. And the next and final support, a very, very strong support, can be at $28,600. Even though we had a spike here up to $27,700, but you can see that we have more touch points here. Therefore, it can be a very, very strong support if we will break down this $33,000 support. However, the $33,000 in itself will be a very strong support, because recently, since the month of January 2022, price line is not breaking down the support, and we are also forming on the weekly time frame chart higher lows. And if we will have another reversal from here, then we are already forming higher highs, and then Bitcoin can form another higher than previous high. But right now, if we switch back to the daily time frame, then after breaking down this pennant, there is a probability that Bitcoin may test this support of $33,000, because this will be the next major support. There are other supports. If we switch to the smaller time frames, there can be other supports as well, but I'm talking about the major support, that is $33,000 and then $28,600. And if we take a look at the target for this breakdown from this bearish pennant that is below than this $33,000 support, that is approximately at $31,000. But I'm expecting that it will be really difficult for Bitcoin to break down this 33K. Now let's move to the weekly time, to the monthly time frame, and here we can see that 1, 2, and this is for the third time in the history of Bitcoin, the stochastic is entering the oversold zone. If we take a look at the weekly time frame, then Bitcoin is once again getting oversold on the weekly time frame, but on the monthly time frame, it will be, as per the Bitstamp exchange, third time in the history of Bitcoin then that it is getting oversold. And previously, when it was moved up from the oversold zone, then we had a very, very big rally. We can see that was more than 780% move once it was moved up from the oversold zone. So it can be another very nice buy the dip opportunity. We are also having very nice 25 simple moving average support on the daily time frame. But on the smaller time frames, there can be a volatility. Like, for example, if we will break down the support of 33K, we may test the next support, or we may have a reversal move from here and break out the same resistance of the pennant and this resistance that was previously support of this wedge as well. But on the monthly time frame, we can see that this is for the third time we are going to enter oversold zone, and there can be a really very big move in upcoming days and months. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.